SMH Nation, finally the long wait is over. Today, we celebrate IMU King with our IMU King conference. It's the first IMU King conference of SMH.
Our Kirin Group has achieved to have this first functional plane product available in Japan market.
Alam nyo, matagal nating inaantay ito and finally, nandito na. Kaya masaya ako together with our guests from Kyowa Hakobayo, Kirin in Japan. We welcome you all. Come, let's celebrate IMU King. Tara na!
These are the days where moments are made. Now or wait, we're born to fly. The world is ours. Let's eclipse the stars and make it shine.
Now, I would also like to acknowledge our leaders who came all the way from Mindanao. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga partners from Mindanao.
Now's the time for all our dreams to come alive. Today's the day to see the world in a whole new light.
There seems to be a shift in the aura of the person from something like a pinkish color to the skin. Can you explain that?
Other ingredients that they take in maybe be contributing the effect, but I believe mostly it's not because of glutathione.
I think sa IMU King mayroon pang rosy cheeks.
Yes.
Now's the time. We have
So our company is the pioneer or the first in the world developing a large-scale fermentation production for amino acids. And we did not just stop there, but we keep on developing on our technologies in producing different types of health support ingredients.
today's the day. Now's the time for all our dreams to come alive.
This event was successful kasi maraming speakers na galing sa Japan and Singapore. Excellent speakers because maraming trials, clinical trials yung ginawa sa product na IMU King and Citria.
First of all, we were so thankful for Immune, for Kyowa Hakobayo, for supporting us. Actually, this is approximately 8 months in preparation for inviting them. Imagine po, they're from Japan, flying from here, and they're from Singapore, flying here just to support us.
Now's the time.
Looking back 4 years ago, SMH was born in the midst of the day. That's why in all of my speeches, I always emphasize that SMH is a blessing company.
Now's the time.
What inspires me to build Sierra Mountain Herbs is yung kalagayan ko before. I always acquired sickness based on my immune system. Naghanap talaga ng sagot. Mahirap talaga magkasakit. Na-remember ko when I was way back in Davao, maganda naman yung kalagayan ng aming business. But when my father got sick, inubos lahat yun. So for me, health is everything. That is primarily my motivation why I keep on looking for supplements or any products that would make me healthy. We want to educate people, we give them knowledge, we guide them how to become healthy, at the same time, earn an extra income. Actually, SMH started during the COVID-19 pandemic. That's why I consider this company as a blessing company. Because it started when every other businesses closes down. Ang Sierra Mountain Herbs or SMH, kami po yung nagbukas. Pagdating naman sa trust, of course, you have to build trust. Pero when your product speaks for itself, the trust is automatic. Kasi nakikita ng tao na you are not hyping, the product you are presenting is really effective or it works for a certain group of people. That is the advocacy of SMH. Product makes the system work. Wellness is everything. It is not just part of us. It is everything. Walang pangarap, walang ambitions, walang success kung bibigay yung katawan mo. What makes SMH different is we have a specialized product. We have a product na pag ininom mo, ang gagawin niya is to normalize your blood pressure and prevent heart attack and stroke. Tawag doon, nitric oxide. We have product called CarboX from Cuchilla scoparia plant na mas known as mountain caviar. Ang function niya is very specific to prevent sugar spikes. Yun yung kaibahan ng SMH, a specialized product. Number one, you have to know your purpose. You have to know what you really want. I want SMH or Sierra Mountain Herbs to be remembered as a company that offers solution to health problems. And of course, I want also SMH to be remembered as a company that uplift the lives of Filipinos in particular na magkaroon ng kabuhayan, especially sa panahon ito. To the 4th Asian Pillars Awards, thank you for recognizing the efforts that we put in Sierra Mountain Herbs. It's an honor for me and to the SMH family. Maraming salamat po.
The next award to be presented is the Asian Pillar of Inspiring Entrepreneurial Excellence in Health and Wellness Advocacy. As the CEO and founder of Sierra Madre Herbs, Danilo D. Swigo.
We started actually zero, but we make things happen. Sabi nga ng Asian Pillars Award is to bring impact to the lives of the people who trusted to believe in us.
SMH. Grabe, ang bango nitong spray niyo sa kamay ko. Dahil madali ako mapagod and talagang mahilig ako pag-amoy ng mga ganito. So, super duper thank you.
Outstanding Health and Wellness Brand of the Year. This is presented to Sierra Mountain Herbs.
There's a new approach to immune health, and it's called Immuse. A cutting-edge postbiotic for immune support at a cellular level. Immuse is unlike any other immune support ingredient, and here's why. The immune system is made up of many different types of cells. The key players being NK cells, killer T cells, helper T cells, B cells, and other secondary players. They all have different jobs to do, but one of the most important are the plasmacytoid dendritic cells, PDCs. PDC is a leader of the immune system, and until now, conventional immune support only offered partial immune benefits. That's where Immuse comes in. Immuse activates the PDC so they can activate critical immune cell types to work as a collective team for more comprehensive immune support. That's the Immuse difference. Clinically supported by 13 studies, Immuse is heavily researched and technically advanced for year-round immune support. Immuse, a revolutionary approach to immune health.
Welcome to SMH Immu King video presentation. In a world where health is everything, having a strong immune system is your greatest defense. But what if you could take it to the next level? Introducing Immu King, the revolutionary immunity booster, designed to fortify your body's natural defenses like never before. At the heart of Immu King is Immuse, an advanced postbiotic ingredient manufactured in Japan by Kyowa Hakko Bio, a subsidiary of Kirin, a company with over 110 years of expertise in fermentation. Immuse, also known as LC Plasma, is backed by more than 30 scientific studies, including 15 human clinical trials. Recognized by the Japanese Association for Food Immunology, it holds the prestigious title of Japan's first and only food with functional claims for immune health. But what makes LC Plasma so powerful? It doesn't just support the immune system, it activates it. Unlike conventional probiotics that work indirectly in the gut, LC Plasma directly stimulates the plasmacytoid dendritic cells, or PDCs, considered as the commander of our immune system. Clinical studies have demonstrated that LC Plasma can enhance immune response, suppress the replication of viruses, and even ease mild symptoms of COVID-19. A Malaysian study in 2021 also showed its positive effects on chikungunya and Zika viruses. It also showed potential in reducing dengue fever-like symptoms. Beyond its role in viral defense, LC Plasma has also been associated with improved skin health. Studies suggest that LC Plasma intake may help maintain the skin microbiome, and it can enhance the expression of genes related to maintaining healthy skin. But Immu King doesn't stop there. It also contains plant-based stem cells from Switzerland. It has Swiss green apple and grape stem cells, known for their rejuvenating properties. These plant-based stem cells can help promote skin rejuvenation, making you feel great on the outside as you do on the inside. Immu King also contains nature's finest ingredients, like mangosteen peel, aloe vera, pine bark extract, purple corn, rose hip, resveratrol, marine collagen peptide, glutathione, and CoQ10. Power up your health with Immu King's advanced formula. It can help strengthen your immune system. It is a powerful antiviral and antibacterial defense. It is an effective skin rejuvenation and anti-aging. It can help support cardiovascular function, and it can help in cellular repair and longevity. Take control of your health. Say yes to wellness. Say yes to Immu King. Experience a healthier and happier you with this powerful immune-boosting supplement. Say yes to Immu King and say goodbye to sickness and hello to vitality. Get ready to conquer the day with unstoppable immune support. Try Immu King today.
Feeling bloated ka ba lagi? Constipated? Parang ang bigat palagi ng tiyan mo? Tapos kapag nasa toilet ka, halos ayaw lumabas. Ang tigas at masakit! Hindi ka nag-iisa. Maraming Pilipino ang may ganyan ding kalagayan. Pero baka hindi mo pa alam, ang tunay na problema ay ang mabagal na galaw ng large intestine mo. Kaya na-stuck ang dumi sa loob. Ang colon o large intestine ang isa sa pinaka-importanteng parte ng katawan. Dito naiipon ang mga undigested food at imbakan din ito ng mga dumi sa ating katawan. Kaya kapag hindi ka regular na nakakadumi, hindi lang ang tiyan mo ang apektado, pati na rin ang buong katawan mo. Kapag barado ang colon, diyan nagsisimula ang maraming problema sa katawan. Mahina ang immune system, low energy, imbalanced ang hormones, poor absorption ng mga nutrients. Kahit anong vitamins ang inumin mo, sayang kung hindi na-absorb ng katawan. Mabagal ang metabolism, kaya kahit anong diet mo, walang epekto. Huwag ka nang mag-worry. Andito na ang solusyon. Introducing Keto Cleanse, a powerful natural colon cleanser na tumutulong sa iyo to flush out waste, toxins, and stubborn stool buildup gently and effectively. It's not a harsh laxative. It works naturally with your body to support smooth, regular bowel movement without pain or cramping. Tinatanggal nito kahit ang mga nakadikit na dumi sa iyong colon para mas maging malusog at mas energize ang iyong katawan araw-araw. Ang Keto Cleanse ay hindi makaka-irritate ng intestinal lining ng iyong colon dahil ito ay nagtataglay ng mga natural, mild, and gentle ingredients. Meron itong 20 carefully selected ingredients na sumusuporta sa colon health, weight management, and nutrient absorption. Let's see all these ingredients. Ang main active ingredient ng Keto Cleanse ay Theobroma cacao. Hindi lang masarap, kundi powerhouse din sa colon cleansing. May natural magnesium ito na tumutulong i-relax ang muscles ng digestive tract para mas madali at smooth ang pagdumi. High in fiber din ito, kaya para itong walis sa loob ng iyong colon, dulot nito ay malinis, maginhawa, at magaang na pakiramdam. Combined with green barley, Keto Cleanse becomes a powerful 1-2 punch for your gut. Ang Theobroma, panlinis at pamparelax ng bituka. Ang green barley naman, high in chlorophyll and enzymes, tumutulong magtanggal ng toxin at waste buildup. Magkasama silang parang tagalinis ng impacted matter sa loob ng iyong colon. Ang mangosteen peel at guyabano naman ay kilala sa taglay nilang antioxidants at anti-inflammatory compounds. Nakakatulong ang mga ingredients na ito para mai-relax ang irritated or inflamed lining ng bituka. While at the same time, nilalabanan ang mga free radicals na pwedeng makaapekto sa digestion. The addition of aloe vera and moringa makes Keto Cleanse even more soothing and effective. Aloe vera helps calm and hydrate the gut lining, while moringa is loaded with nutrients na tumutulong sa gentle detox at smooth digestion. At hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. May spirulina at wheatgrass din ang Keto Cleanse. These are superfoods that are rich in fiber and chlorophyll. Naa-absorb nito ang mga toxins. Makakatulong din ito para malinis ang dugo at bigyan ka ng natural energy habang dinidetox ang colon mo. At syempre, may prebiotics din ito. Ang pagkain ng good bacteria sa tiyan. Kaya mas healthy ang gut flora mo. Mas maayos ang digestion at nutrient absorption. At para naman sa mga gustong magpa-slim, perfect! Ang combo ng Garcinia Cambogia at African Mango. Tinutulungan nitong kontrolin ang cravings, suportahan ang fat metabolism, at i-boost ang effort mo sa pagpapapayat. At para mas maging epektibo ang buong process, ang Keto Cleanse ay nilagyan din ng ginkgo biloba at gotu kola. Tumutulong ito upang pagandahin ang blood circulation. Kaya mas mabilis ang delivery ng nutrients sa buong katawan at mas nagiging efficient ang absorption ng mga supplements na iniinom mo. Meron din kasamang goji berry at kidney beans, ang Keto Cleanse. Ang mga sangkap na ito ay rich in fiber and antioxidants. And as an added bonus, meron ding marine collagen ang Keto Cleanse. Tumutulong ito para palakasin ang gut lining para mas maayos ang digestion at nutrient absorption. May agaricus mushroom at beta-glucan din ang Keto Cleanse. Tumutulong ito para palakasin ang iyong immune system habang nagde-detox ka. And finally, ang Keto Cleanse ay may MCT oil pa. Isang healthy fat na nagbibigay ng clean energy at tumutulong sa keto-style weight management. And the best part? We added stevia for better taste without added sugar or calories. Lahat ng ito ay nasa isang bote na ng Keto Cleanse. Powerful, effective, natural, affordable. Kapag malinis ang colon mo, mas magaan ang pakiramdam mo. You deserve to feel light. You deserve to feel clean. Because a clean gut is the start of a better and healthier you. Try it now. Buy Keto Cleanse. Now.
Ma'am, ano po yung pangalan ninyo?
Ako po si Myla Doquinto po. Bali, taga-Pasig po ako.
Taga-Pasig po, okay.
Pumunta po ako dito. Meron po kasi ako naramdaman sa sa katawan ko, sa balat ko. Parang hindi ko po talaga siya kaya ipaliwanag kung ano. Pero ito po yung itsura ko nung time na pumunta po ako dito.
Oo nga,
Ayan po yung itsura ko.
Imaginin mo yan, napaka
Opo, napakahirap po talaga para sa akin dahil po ako ay single mother po. Kailangan ko pong kumayod. Pero sad to say po, naging dating itsura ko. Pero nung meron po akong friend po, si Sister Maylin po, bali, binigyan niya po ako ng pag-asa na gagaling daw ako sa tulong ni God at sa produkto na inaanap niya po sa akin. Ito nga po yung Keto Cleanse po. Bali, 7 days ko po siyang ininom. First day pa lang po, malaking resulta po yung nanginig ako. Yung nangyari po sa akin dahil nalabas ko po yung mga toxin ko sa katawan ko po. Tapos para may pagbabago po siya. Then sige lang po ako, inom na inom. 7 days ko po siyang iniinom. Then sa gabi po, ito po yung ininom ko rin. Yung vitamin po. Kasi po hindi po ako makatulog dahil sa sobrang kati ng katawan ko, sa allergy ko po, napakakati po. Lagi nagdadasal na po ako na sana gumaling po ako. Pero
so ito pong ma'am, itingnan natin kamay mo. Dati, so
ulan po yan. Parang may parang sugat-sugat siya po yung palay sa mukha ko. Pero ayun na po yung resulta po niya. Natanggap parang na lang po siya. Parang kala niya po balat na
parang
po siya.
peklat na lang. Pero mawawala yan.
Opo, meron po din siya sa leeg ko. Nangingitim yung leeg ko po. Tapos sa tiyan ko, sa lahat po. Nung gumamit na po ako ng Keto Cleanse na po ito, 7 days ko po talagang hindi na po ito. Laking tulong po sa akin dahil yung yung timbang ko, nag-lose din po ako. 60 kilos, naging 58 kilos na lang po talaga ako. Opo, totoo po. Yung aking dumi, hindi ko akala na ganun pala yung pagka nalilinis pala yung ating colon, talagang pinapakita talaga yung mga toxic na lumalabas sa katawan ko. Kaya sabi ko, ko talaga to, ipuforce ko talaga ng alam kong gagalingan ko dahil sa itong product ko na hanggang ngayon po, ito pa rin po yung ginagamit ko, patuloy po na ginagamit ko po siya dahil ito nga po yung naging resulta po na
tingnan mo natin ulit yung mukha mo ma'am nung before ka uminom.
Ito po yung before, yung tsura ko po. Tingnan niyo po.
Sobrang namamaga talaga.
Grabe po. Tapos,
sa ngayon, yan, ganda.
Medyo nag-okay na po ako, saka hindi ko naman po nakakain yung mga ko, pero sa akin po yung mga healthy diet naman po yung ginagawa ko, like mga vegetable. Hindi muna ako kumakain ng mga pinagbabawal sa akin. Pero the meantime, uminom pa rin po ako nito para lahat po yung mga natitira pa mga toxic sa katawan ko ay malabas ko po. Kaya
for maintenance ma'am, tuloy-tuloy lang po.
Kaya nagpapasalamat po ako dito sa Keto Cleanse po at saka dito po sa Bitme. Malaking pong tulong para sa akin po.
Thank you ma'am sa inyong patutuwa. So, garantisado talaga.
Yes po. Saka samahan po din natin ng prayer kaya ganito po.
Amen.
Talaga ako
Yes.
Thank you.
Ginagamit na kasangkapan lang yung ating produkto for healing. Thank you ma'am sa inyong patutuwa. God bless.
Keto Cleanse is a proven, effective, and affordable colon cleansing solution. Safe ito sa tiyan at hindi nakaka-irritate sa lining ng bituka. Gawa ito mula sa mga natural fruits and vegetable extracts. Kaya gentle pero powerful ang kanyang cleansing effect. Just a few hours of drinking Keto Cleanse, mararamdaman mo na ang ginhawa. Hindi ka mag-LBM dito ha. Pagagalawin nito ang iyong bituka para mailabas mo ang mga nakadikit na mga dumi sa iyong colon. Walang sakit, 100% na ginhawa sa pakiramdam. Stop suffering from constipation. Message us now!
Ano pong pangalan niyo, sir? Philip Gutierrez. Ano pong may patutuo po ba kayo sa produkto? Ano pong produkto, sir, na nagamit niyo?
Keto Cleanse yung nagamit ko.
Keto Cleanse. Ano pong na-experience niyo sa ano bang kondisyon niyo before, sir?
Ako po yung constipated.
Okay.
Sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Tapos gusto kong dumumi, hindi ako makadumi. Gusto kong ang nasusuka ako, hindi rin makasura. Yan pala, yung bituka ko nangigit. Pupulukot na. Kung nakita sa x-ray ng doktor, inopera nila ako. Pinayos. Pero nung pagkatapos ng opera, ganun pa rin, constipated pa rin ako. hindi pa rin ako regular na makadumi.
Okay.
Kaya nung in-invite ako nila Ma'am Juby
Okay.
at saka ni Ma'am Melcha na pumunta rito.
So nasubukan mo yan. So ano pong nangyari, sir?
So nung hindi ako pinayagan nila umalis dito na hindi nakakainom. Pinainom nila ako bago ako umalis. Nung mga 3:13 o 3 ng madaling araw, nakaramdam ako. Imuwan yung tiyan ko. Pumunta ako ng CI.
Success.
Lumabas yung halos kalahating oras akong nasa CI. Tuloy-tuloy yung paglabas. Yung lumabas rin nakita ko, ang itim, pasambang. 3 beses akong nakadumi ng araw na yun. Dahil dito sa keto cleanse.
So, ngayon po sir, ano pong naramdaman? Kasi naalala ka namin nung pumunta ka rito, talagang medyo maputla at saka ano.
Pag nakakadumi ako, hindi na kagaya ng dati na yung dumi ko may medyo normal
na. Dahil sa
keto cleanse.
So ano pong masasabi niya sa keto cleanse?
Papasalamat pa ako sa keto cleanse dahil sa produkto na to ako'y natulungan na umayos yung pakiramdam ko sa pagdudumi.
Yun. Ano?
Hindi na masyadong constipated. 3 pa lang yung nainom ko, sir.
Wow. So napakagaling talaga ng keto cleanse, no? Maraming salamat po sa pagtotoo niyo, sir.
Salamat.
So, approve. Approve na po. Sige. Thank you, sir.
Keto Cleanse is a proven, effective, and affordable colon cleansing solution. Safe ito sa tiyan at hindi nakaka-irritate sa lining ng bituka. Gawa ito mula sa mga natural fruits and vegetable extracts. Kaya gentle pero powerful ang kanyang cleansing effect. Just a few hours of drinking Keto Cleanse, mararamdaman mo na ang ginhawa. Hindi ka mag-LBM dito ha. Pagagalawin nito ang iyong bituka para mailabas mo ang mga nakadikit na mga dumi sa iyong colon. Walang sakit, 100% na ginhawa sa pakiramdam. Stop suffering from constipation. Message us now!
Hi guys, Ace Del Rosario here and today is March 5, 2026 and nandito tayo ngayon sa may BPI yan, para i-cash out yung kinita natin na 155,000 pesos in one day sa ating dropshipping business. So tara, samahan niyo ako, let's go! So ito na po, na-cash out na po natin yung kinita natin ng 155,000 pesos sa ating SMH dropshipping business in one day. So kung isa ka sa mga tao naghahanap ng legit side hustle this 2026, comment down below and I'll send you more information about our SMH dropshipping business.
Good morning, SMH Nation! Today, SMH has achieved a new milestone pagdating sa commissions. Ngayon po ay i-award ko ang isang cheque na nagkakahalaga ng 1,053,535 pesos na break ng distributor natin from Calamba City, Laguna, si Atos Del Rosario, also known as AZ. Na-break ni AZ ang one-day commission ng SMH for a single person. 1 million mahigit po isang araw na komisyon. You heard it right. Hindi isang linggo, hindi 1 month, kundi one-day commission. Right now, dito sa SMH office, I am very happy to award this one-day commission to Mr. Atos Del Rosario from Calamba City, Laguna. And eto yung malupit. Sa mga nagtatanong paano nakuha ni AZ yan. Actually, this is not a secret. May sistema po. Sa taong may pangarap, may sistema, lalo na dito sa Sierra Mountain Herbs. Kaya, PM niyo siya. Kumpanya na po ito. Congrats, Mr. AZ.
Thank you,
sir.